What's up, Tatesomne? It's your girl Tati, back at it for another 12 days of slay. Today is day 3 out of 12, and today we'll be giving you this beautiful purpley, just wintry look. I wanted to give y'all something that was like cool and winter appropriate, but also something that wasn't like, that was still fun, that was still like light, kind of give you a little bit of color. So if you just want to see how I got this look right here, or if you just want to continue to support your girl in her 12 days of slay, make sure you continue to watch this video all the way out into the end. Alright, y'all. So let's get into it. Get into it. Get into it. Now the first thing that we need to do are these brows. And I'm going to show y'all a little bit of how I do my brows. I do them differently for different things, so I'm gonna just show y'all how we're doing them today. So right now I'm going to put some primer. This is NYX Proof It. It's eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna put that on my eyebrows. And while that is drying, I'm gonna prime my face a little bit. I'm going to go in first with the NYX Angel Veil and put that all over my face, mainly in my problem areas, which tend to be my T-zone. That's where I have the most pores. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Liquid Illuminator. This is the Born to Glow, and this is in the color Sun Goddess. This is the tan one, like the brown one. This is probably like the darkest shade they have. And I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put that on like my cheeks, my nose, my chin a little bit, and a little bit on my forehead. For now, we're going to get into the brows. Actually, y'all, I'm going to do my brows off camera. I'm sorry. I tried to do them on camera, but I just can't.
12 seconds later.
Brows are on, and I'm going to bring y'all a little bit closer. We're going to start off with our Modern Mattes from BH Cosmetics, and we're going to take this shade right here. Beautiful shade. I'm supposed to be telling y'all about my pageant experience, but I almost stopped to film like the eyebrow part of this. And y'all know your eyebrows are really serious. So I almost got so caught up into that I didn't even get to, I haven't even gotten into the mode to start talking about pageantry. Now I'm putting down that light pink shade that I showed y'all from the BH Cosmetics palette. And it's coming off kind of light, kind of chalky, but that is fine. It's just supposed to provide a base, because when I start building up that color, that purple is going to build up onto this. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to take I'm using the AOA Studios E130 brush to blend out that color. That other shade provided a really good transition for this shade to show up, because it's showing up well. The only thing I would say about these, adding this color is, or using this Modern Mattes palette, is that it does take quite a bit of building up. Now I'm going to go in with this deeper shade right here. And I'm going to use this brush, this pointed blending brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to add on that color into my crease to smoke this out. And this brush is actually from the Smoky palette, the Smoky brush set. I'm going to take an AOA Studios 124 brush and then this deeper shade at the end, and I'm going to use that to deepen on my crease the most. So just to add a little bit more definition. For my lid, I'm going to take an AOA Studios E129 brush. I'm going to take this shade right here from the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And for my inner corners, I'm going to do a matte highlight. I'm going to do that pink shade that we put all over our eyes at first for transition color. I'm going to use this pink shade. I'm going to blend that in a little bit with the other shade that we have already down. I'm going in with my Matte Made foundation in the shade D70 and my Ultimate Blending Brush from e.l.f. to apply that to my face. I'm going to switch to my to my Elf 6 brush from AOA Studios to do my eyebrows or by my eyebrows, because that just it just distributes the product better right there. Next, I'm going to put down my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade Cocoa. My concealer has dried, so I'm going to take ALA Studios E106 brush, and I'm going to start blending it out. With this type of brush, you're supposed to stipple, but this brush is so long that I would swipe. I'm a swiper with this brush. Now that that's all blended out, I'm going to put on my e.l.f. Camel Concealer in the shade Rich Chocolate. Oh, and I'm using the ALA Studios F19 brush. This is a highlighting brush, but I really have fell in love with it being a concealer brush. It blends out concealer, especially under your eyes, really quick. Okay, I'm going to go with my Laura Mercier under my eyes real quick before we start to do anything else. I'm going to go in with my ALA Studios F20 brush, which is like the brush I usually use to bronze, and I'm going to bronze my face. I'm using my Ruby Kisses, and I'm using this shade right here to sort of bronze up my face. I'm at the tiniest bit of contour with the e.l.f. 13 brush in the darkest shade in the Ruby Kisses right here. Just a tiny bit right on these edge points. I need to blend that out, and a little bit on this forehead. Next, I'm going to do some blush, and I'm going in with my Sahara Volume 2 blush. I'm going to take B the beginning. Let me stop. I'm going to take B, and I'm going to highlight with her because I think that she's just gorgeous for this look. She has a little bit of color that we need. Lash line. For our lower lash line, we just repeated those same steps under our eyes, and we lined our eyes with a black pencil. And now we're going to go in with our lip color. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipsticks in the shade 21. It is Brooklyn Thorn. It's this beautiful shade right here. Perfect for this look. I'm going to highlight using the Love Shock palette. This is a sleek palette. This was a limited edition Valentine's one. And I'm going to go in with this light pink shade right here. Love this shade. I'm taking my F34 brush from AOA Studios to apply that shade. And then I'm just taking the e.l.f. highlighting brush. This is just a down little brush to blend it out a little bit so that it's not too concentrated. Alright, Taylor Tots, I went to go put on my lashes. These are just my regular little beautiful lashes to complete this look that matches this beautiful silky silk right here. So, if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video so that we can get more people into this potato family. Comment down below. Let's see. This is only day 3, so you can comment your favorites video so far. But comment down below some looks that you think I'll be doing, or comment down below some topics that you think that are gonna come up during the 12 days of Slay. I want to see if I'm as predictable as I think I might be. And last but not least, before you leave, you know what you gotta do, right? You know what you gotta do. You got to subscribe to my channel so you can grow with your girl. So you can grow with your girl. Break it down. Break it down. Y'all, my lashes are not dry, and I got lash glue in my eyes, so all I see is like fog. It's hazy. Hopefully I'm in focus, and hopefully y'all like this video. Give me a thumbs up for all the work I'm putting into these 12 days of Slay, okay?